orbitals, they are completely filled. Okay. After this, the added electron goes to the 6s orbital in cesium, which is the first member of the 6 period. So as in lighter alkaline earth metals, 6s orbital is completed in barium with atomic number 56. Here we have not only empty 5d orbitals, but the 4f orbitals, they are also empty. Now lanthanum with atomic number 57 is analogous to yttrium, as I told you before also, and has electronic configuration of 5d1 6s2. So in contrast to the sequence of filling of the orbitals in the member of second transition series, the filling of 5d orbital is discontinued after lanthanum. Okay. The electronic structure of the lanthanide atoms is characterized by the presence of occupied 4f orbital. It has been shown that the 4f orbitals for elements of atomic number from 47 to 57, यानी कि सिल्वर से लेके लैंथेनम तक, they have large spatial extension which brings them to the periphery of the atoms and precludes their occupation by electrons. ठीक है ना? अब क्या होता है कि with the increase of atomic number, both the energy and the spatial extension of 4f orbital decreases and the energy level falls. For example, binding energy of 4f level drops from minus 91.8 kilojoule per mole for lanthanum to minus 482.5 kilojoule per mole for neodymium. So although the 4f orbitals, they lie well outside the xenon structure in lanthanum atom and are thus unoccupied, they are within the structure in Nd with atomic number 60 and occupied. So for the neutral atoms, the first 4f electrons appears with cerium. Throughout the series, there is close competition between 4f and 5d levels. However, 5d level being slightly higher in energy, which has been shown here on the figure, you can see 5d levels being slightly higher in energy remains empty except in gadolinium with atomic number 64 and lutetium with atomic number 71, in which the 5d1 electron reappears. So the electronic configuration of 4f7 5d1 6s2 for gadolinium and 4f14 5d1 6s2 for lutetium, they are attributed to the tendency to maintain half filled 4f7 and completely filled 4f14 configuration, with which extra stability is associated. So here you can see in the tripositive lanthanide ions, the filling of 4f orbital is regular because the electron lost are the two outermost 6s electron and an additional loosely held 5d or 4f electron if 5d electron is not present in the atom. So the electronic configuration of lanthanide elements may be represented as 4f1 to 14, 5s2, 5p6, 5d0 or 6s2. Now, whereas the electronic configuration of lanthanide tripositive ion, lanthanon tripositive ion may be written as 4f1 to 14, 5s2, 5p6. Okay. So here you can see a table displaying the electronic configuration of these elements. Okay. Now we come to the oxidation state of these elements. देखिए, आपको पता है कि the most characteristic feature of the chemistry of the lanthanides lies in the consistent appearance of +3 oxidation state, which is the most common oxidation state for these elements. Like normal transition metals, the lanthanides contain 2s electrons in the outermost shell, which was shown in first table. So they are therefore expected to exhibit a characteristic oxidation state of +2 with the chemical behavior following that of calcium and strontium and barium. Experiments have shown that all the known anti-positive lanthanide ions, they are rapidly oxidized to +3 oxidation, तुरंत oxidize हो जाते हैं +3 oxidation state में by water, and that the few known compounds of the tetrapositive lanthanides are reduced by water. So the sole exception being the cerium-4. Cerium compounds की तो chemistry ही अलग से पढ़ी जाती है. Thus, for the lanthanides, the +3 oxidation state is most common. And this corresponds to the use of two outermost electrons, that is 6s2 along with one inner electron. Now the inner electron used is a 5d electron in case of lanthanum, gadolinium and lutetium, or one of the 4f electron if no 5d electron is present, that is in the rest of the lanthanides. So since all the lanthanides attain +3 oxidation state only, and only cerium, praseodymium and terbium, they exhibit higher oxidation state of +4, it appears that 4f electrons are so firmly held that ordinarily not more then one of them can be removed. So in lanthanides, since the 4f and 5d levels, they are approximately of equal energy, a 4f electron will be removed with approximately the same ease as a 5d electron. So with the loss of 3 electrons, 4f orbital in lanthanides penetrates inside to the extent that they lie beneath the 5s and 5p levels. In trivalent state, all the lanthanides, they have similar outer electronic configuration, that is 5s to 5p 6 है ना, xenon configuration इसको बोलते हैं. Hence they resemble more closely than do the divalent normal transition metal cation, because in transition metal cations the 4d orbitals, they remain at the surface, which are filled to different extent in different ions. Okay, now some lanthanides they show +2 or +4 oxidation state, as I have already told you, in addition to the common oxidation state of +3. However, these states are always less stable than the +3 oxidation state. Most common +3 here है, stable भी वही है, and they are generally referred to as anomalous oxidation state. So these states may be considered as arising due to extra stability associated with empty, half-filled and completely filled 4f levels. Thus, cerium and terbium, which have 2 electrons in excess to the empty and half-filled 4f levels, they form stable tetrapositive ion by loss of 4 electrons. Okay, 2f, 4f, 2 4f and 2 6s electrons. So on the other hand, europium and ytterbium, they have half-filled and completely filled 4f orbitals in their atomic states. Therefore, they will have a tendency to form stable divalent ions by the loss of 2 6s electrons. So for the argument that F0, F7 and F14 configuration, they are of extra stability, है ना? Samarium and thulium, they are expected to form monovalent ion, and praseodymium and dyspremium, they are expected to show +5 oxidation state, and neobium and holmium, look at the table of this, you know. And neodymium and holmium, they are expected to show +6 oxidation state, but it is never found so. Practically we haven't noticed this. So instead, samarium and thulium जो हैं, they show +2 oxidation state, and praseodymium and neodymium give +4 oxidation state.